everyone, welcome to Success Mantra. I am Siddhi and today we have Kritin Khera with us. So it's really an honor to have a student who has secured All India rank 27 in NCHM CT examination. Also Kritin has appeared for IPU University Psychology Honors.
167
Psychology Honors है ना?
लिबरल आर्ट्स आई थिंक वो याद नहीं नाम है मैं ये वाले नहीं करता हूँ
चलो ठीक है. Also, Kritin has appeared for IPU University examination and has scored 167 rank over there. So, any which ways, it's really an honor to have Kritin with us. Of course, it would be a great pleasure to get to hear his words, to get an experience, to know that how Kritin decided his journey, what were actually his efforts, and how did he make to get All India rank 27 in HM. So, first of all, we would like to congratulate you, Kritin.
Thank you, ma'am. And the honor is all mine. I guess the guidance and the guidance that Siddhi ma'am and all the faculty from Success Mantra provided me definitely helped a lot in me scoring a very good rank in NCHM, and also the overall experience in Success Mantra has been great because the faculty, they create sort of a personal connection with each and every one of the students, and it really helps a lot. It takes a lot of stress off our minds that we have to do this, we have to do that, and yeah, it helps. It helps keep the stress out.
Right. So, Kritin, generally students का ना HM को लेकर के यही focus होता है. If you ask anyone that what do you want to go ahead with HM and मैं HM कर रहा हूँ, तो जब भी हम students को ऐसा बताते हैं ना, they really have a picture of Vader in their mind. Isn't that hitting you?
No, people sometimes have misconceptions, but it is usually because of they don't have the knowledge about the courses and overall the program of hotel management. Because when we, like, if I don't know anything about hotel management and someone talks to me about that, yes, I will generally assume that either he or she is becoming a chef or something related in that field only.
Right.
But it covers a lot of wider aspects like management and
Exactly.
other.
You have a lot of front end and back end jobs. So, of course, if you go to the hotels, we have seen a great group of hotels, Oberoi and Leela Palaces. Then we have these Taj hotels. We have this Crown Plaza, Radisson. So we have been to multiple huge hotels like this, and we have seen a great team working over there. So of course, like if you go ahead with HM, so which area would you be choosing, like tourism, culinary, management, or what?
I personally will be choosing like culinary arts because I also have a sort of interest in that. I have for a long time I have an interest in it, mostly because of my mother. She never held me back from doing things in the kitchen, experimenting new dishes and all. So yeah, family structure also plays a important role in deciding what you will be doing.
Exactly, that's very good. So you cook good?
I hope.
we would also like to have a privilege of getting something tasted.
Just call me up when you want something.
Exactly. Right. So, Kritin, was the preparation for HM very difficult?
No, because I also took coaching here for CLAT exam. My preparation went sort of easy because I already had the concepts in mind. I just needed a little bit of revision.
Right.
Yeah. Also, the regular tests and mocks really helped a lot in testing ourselves and getting to know our weak points and working upon them.
Exactly, right. So of course you need a great efforts from your end also. Coachings
Yeah.
are recommended, but then you also need to put some efforts from your end so that you can just boost up your preparation and you can just polish your skills. So which was your weakest area?
Maths, because minimal practice for that.
Okay.
I didn't if I gave my 100% in English, it was 50% in maths.
Okay. So, and which was the most great area of yours? The strength subject.
Service sector aptitude.
Okay.
Literally the easiest section in any of the exams like you only have to choose what according to you seems right,
Right.
because that's what it is. You have to like butter up the imaginary person you are talking to.
Right. So exactly, that had been a good subject for you.
Yeah.
So how had been the support of your family with this? Because still we can see most of the parents, they are stepping their students, they are stepping their wards back, and they are letting their students not to go ahead with HM. So that's really a myth in the mind of parents even yet. So how was the support of your family with it?
My parents and even my other relatives supported my decision of giving the NCHM exam, because my father and I, we go on lots of trips, we stayed in lots of hotels, so he also knows what it is like to be in a hotel and reputed hotel chain.
Exactly, right.
So it
Of
also
course.
gives me the confidence boost कि I have to do, कि पापा को भी अच्छा लगता है,
Right.
मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है, तो करो अच्छे से.
Exactly. Great. So Kritin, many aspirants of NCHM are watching you right now, and they are eager to just get some good words from you, a piece of message, like of course, which is going to drag them towards a dedicated path towards HM. So being a good rank holder, of course, and All India rank 27 is really very great rank. So being a good rank holder, what will you guide them? What would be your last message for them?
My message would be that just push yourself, you can do it, you just have to give your 101%. If you don't, I'm sure you will get somewhere, but if you don't push yourself to the limit, there is कुछ ना कुछ वो रहेगा आपको जो नहीं करने देगा, चाहे वो आप खुद हो या कोई आपके रिलेटिव्स या पेरेंट्स ही क्यों ना हो. उनको कन्विंस करो, और सबसे पहले अपने आप को कन्विंस करो कि हाँ मुझे करना है, मुझे अच्छा लगता है और मैं कर सकता हूँ.
Great, Kritin. Great words from you. So see you there in IHM Pusa now, right? So again, we would like to congratulate Kritin and his entire family for his success. We even wish him all the very best for his entire future ahead. And also, I'll be back again with multiple interviews like this. Will be very guiding force for you all in your entrance exam preparations. So stay tuned to us. Thank you.